How to add multiple accounts on Snapchat. In this video, I'll show you the easy method to add multiple accounts on a Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. First of all, before proceeding towards the steps, make sure your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, open Play Store or App Store and search for Snapchat using the search icon. So if you see update button, then you need to tap on update button and update your app. Once done, select the open button and open the Snapchat application. Now you will get access to this camera section when you log into any existing accounts on Snapchat. So in order to switch accounts or add multiple accounts, just you have to log out this existing account once. For that, tap on Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now select the gear icon to access your settings page. And then on the settings page, when you scroll to the bottom of the screen, there is the logout button. Tap on it and then you need to log out by verifying your number in case you forget your password. So let's verify it, and you need to allow Snapchat to make and manage phone calls. As you can see that we already have logged out that particular account, and to add multiple account you need to simply tap on switch accounts at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you scroll to the left or the right, as you can see, here are the multiple accounts here. In this way only you can select the switch accounts option and add username or email of another account that you want to add here. And once you have done that, you can easily select the login button, and this will help you to add multiple accounts on Snapchat. So that's how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.